Camera's on. Hey, hello. Hey everybody, Kevin Lewis here, Uncle Kevin Carves. And I'm just gonna give you a quick look through the gallery. I know Jordy Johnson already did all this. Shout out to Jordy. But I just wanted to show you what this place looks like when we got some blooms happening. The rhodos are going off. And then we're over here into the gallery. This is my third piece I ever did. Nice dragon. Got a beautiful trail up above us, Nymph Falls Nature Park. We got a cool little driftwood bench right here. My carving shack. We'll have a peek inside real quick on this side. Open up the door. Hello. This is one of my newer gargoyles. Hey bud. Over here we got nice driftwood bench. This is one slab of old growth old growth fir. It's really hard to describe this place unless you've been here, but there's trails all throughout, carvings everywhere, mainly for people to get their imaginations flowing, as well as mine. Big old iguana, cougar, Chiriant, and then this piece is really special. I did this years ago. So I found these burls, yellow cedar burl. I thought it looked like the shape of a frog. So I just did this one side, gave him the eye, and then I added this burl top to it. So we got a face here, side profile, see the nose, the eye, lip. Trying to make them hidden. And then this guy, and this guy's mouth. See his nose, eyes. And then you come up and there's a little guy hanging out there. Up to here. Little fairy. And then you back off a little bit. Look at this. It's called a guelph tree. I made that up myself. And then I did a story about it. The guelph tree. So I wrote that myself. And then let me go over to more trails. My buddy Darren next door, West Coast Lumberjack Show. We just did this. Took down a big old rotten tree out of the property. So my mom's throwing some plants in there. Oh yeah, I gotta show you this. My first carving ever. First chainsaw carving ever, right there. Oh, this is the back side of the bar. So I carved in some nice relief carving here. This is a long time ago too. The cougar's swiping at it. This is walrus whiskers right here. Deer antler for the teeth. Cougar on the top. What you can do with a tree when you take it down. Cool barred owl, and then just really nice, adds the color to the area. This is the time of year to come here when the rhodos are going crazy. There's an eagle. What's happening? Oh, and here's my version of Mickey Mouse that was done. I signed it, Kev. 1999. Holy boy. Look at that, how it's held up. It's crazy. That's the thing with cedar. Keep it off the ground. It's going to last you forever. Raven. Got a raven in the trees. It's really cool that you can have a smaller piece of property. Like this is about less than an acre for sure on this side. Probably half acre. But it's just how you set it up for your studio. And let me tell you, this is how you want to set your work up. If you're able to. It is so fun. People can come through and enjoy. This is my forest dragon bust. A tree I carved years ago. It's all growing around. This is an alder. So you're not going to kill the tree if you don't circle the bark. So just keep it on one side and you'll be fine. My scary fairy. My mom does reflexology right here. A few hangers. Nice and easy. It makes it easy for people to buy them, pick them up. And this is what I'm working on right now. An iguana. He's coming along. We're looking at from here down to the swim hole. We're going to the beach. Oh, I gotta show everybody this. This is cool. This is my outdoor shower right here. So there's the shower going off. Outdoor area. The notorious wine bar. Me and Doug Lingelbach did. This is a cool archway my buddy Darren Lemke brought over for me. It's a big fir. He found it over top an old growth stump, cut it off for me and delivered it. So, and he did it perfectly. It actually stood up. And I did some faces and some leaves all through there. Turned it into a really cool entranceway into the gallery here. So, thanks for watching, you guys. Hope it inspires you in your workspace and life. Cheers.